Modifying pipeline routing. In this task, we modify existing pipeline segments. Disable all datum display types. In the ribbon, select the Applications tab. Click Piping from the Engineering group. Click Pipe from the Routing group. If necessary, click Display Thick Pipes from the View group to display thick pipelines. Select the pipe segment shown. Edit the line stock. In the ribbon, click Modify Pipeline from the Pipeline group. Select the Line Stock option. Select the pipe segment shown. Click OK. Select Pipe 25A from the Modify Line Stock drop-down menu. Click Apply Changes. Notice that the line stock thickness updates on the pipeline as shown. Edit the bend radius for selected corners. Select the Corner Type option. Zoom in and select the upper corner on the pipeline as shown. Press Ctrl and select the lower corner on the pipeline as shown. Click OK. Edit the bend radius to 40. Click Apply Changes. Notice that the corner geometry updates as shown. Edit the corner type for selected corners. Select Miter Cut from the New Type drop-down menu. Edit the cut number to 3. Edit the cut length to 40. Click Apply Changes. Notice that the corner geometry updates as shown. Edit the flow direction. Select the Flow Direction option. Select the pipe segment shown. Click OK. Notice that the flow direction is indicated in the model, as shown. Click the Reverse button. Notice that the flow direction updates on the pipeline, as shown. Click Accept Changes. This completes the demonstration.